Doing now is we have our red cabbage. We're making a red cabbage salad. This is raw red cabbage. We're salting it and we're massaging it. The other thing is you can also saute your red cabbage before you make it into your salad. For massaging the cabbage is to break down the fibers of the cabbage and make it soft, and it will also release its juices. Now for our sauce, we have 3 cups of yogurt, to which we add 1 cup of mayo. Now you want to stir it together, and you're going to add your minced garlic to your sauce. Is we are going to modify the recipe. We actually added a little bit more mayo to the sauce. So now we have 3 cups yogurt to 2 cups mayo with our garlic. Now we're adding our yogurt mayo sauce to our red cabbage salad. You want to stir it gently to distribute your sauce. Stir the sauce gently.
Be careful.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna whip this now.